As I was saying a while ago, we are going to have a break. Now I'm back and we will be discussing about the synthetic division. I have to discuss this to you kasi last time we were not able to have this discussion because we will be using this in finding the factors of our polynomial function. Okay? So, again, y equals x cubed minus 4x squared plus x plus 6. What is the degree of the polynomial function? It is 3. And our function is already written in standard form. Since the degree is 3, the special name for this is cubic function. The leading term is x cubed. The leading coefficient, which is not written here, is 1. And our constant is 6. So how do we perform our synthetic division? We are first going to check if our function is in standard form. So notice, and we will check kung complete yung terms. So if the degree is 3, meaning to say, yung number of terms should be 4. Kasi yung cube, ang squared, the 1, and then yung constant number. So if the degree is 10 of our polynomial function, then the complete number of terms should be 11. Okay, so let us recall the steps in performing synthetic division. We will only get the numerical coefficients of the term. So for the first term, that is 1. For the second term, that is -4. For the third term, that is 1. And for the fourth term, that is 6. Okay. Then, we will write our division symbol. Ito yung symbol natin for division. And then we will write the equal sign. Ganyan. Okay. Now, ano yung gagamitin natin na divisor? So, based from our lesson from the first quarter, we will get the factors of 6. Lahat ng factors ng 6, ano yon? Positive 6 and positive 1, negative 6 and negative 1 kasi yung constant natin is positive 6. We could have positive 3 and positive 2, negative 3 and negative 2. Then, that's it. Now, let us going to choose. Ano yan? Let me write 2, 3, negative 2, negative 3, the 6 and 1, the negative 6 and negative 1. Let's try muna the 2. Okay. So, we will write our divisor here, 2. Then, after writing our divisor, we are ready now to perform our synthetic division. We bring down the 1. Then 1 times 2, the answer is 2. We write the answer below 4, below -4. And then we will perform the indicated operation based on the signs of the integers. So the signs are unlike, then we have to subtract. So 4 minus 2 is 2, and then we copy the sign of the number with a bigger absolute value, and that is -4. So our answer here is -2. Then after getting the answer, we proceed again to our multiplication. -2 times +2 is -2. Then the signs are unlike. We have to subtract 1, or 2 minus 1 is 1, and then we copy the sign of -2 because it is the number with the bigger absolute value. Then, we are ready again to multiply. -1 times 2 is equal to -2. So, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Para maging factor, lesson from first grading period, the remainder should be 0. But in this case, the remainder is not 0. So meaning to say, x minus 2 is not a factor of the polynomial function x cubed minus 4x squared plus x plus 6. Okay. Now, let's try the positive 3. Or let's try kaya the -2 para partner na lang sila, no? So, we write the 1, the -4, the 1, and the 6, then the division symbol, and our divisor, -2. we also write our equal sign. We bring down the 1, we multiply it by negative 2, that gives us a negative 2. Negative 4 minus 2, integers with like signs, so we add. 4 plus 2 is 6 and copy the common sign, which is negative. Then negative 6 times negative 2 is positive 12. 1 plus 12 is 13. And notice, class, if we are going to multiply the 13 and the negative 2, it gives us negative 26, which will not give us a zero remainder. So meaning to say the negative 2 or x plus 2 is not a factor of the given polynomial function. Okay. Sunod, let's try the 3. Okay. 1, negative 4, 1, 6. Actually, parang, ano lang, no, paswerte-swerte lang na once you have the divisor na factor siya, then you are done right away with your work. Pero kung hindi, then you have to try again. So, bring down the 1, multiply 3, negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. The negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. 6 minus 6 is 0.